Hey guys, Patrick from Tuckwell Machinery here. I just want to take you for a look around the OAV MAX370P edge bander. It's been a very popular model for us. We're selling a lot of them, and I thought it was about time that I made a short video to show you guys. So if we come around to the front of the machine, you'll notice that we have a touchscreen control here. Very easy to use, very visual, user-friendly. We can turn all of our units on and off through here. We have the glue pot measuring through there and the setup, so you can easily adjust the temperature to suit different types of glues, or if the weather's a bit cooler, etc. We have the Workpiece Length. Basically, when we feed a panel through this machine, it measures each piece and gives you a readout on the screen here. Above it, we have the stop and go light, which is also repeated over here on the frame of the machine. Now, this machine has very short panel gaps. They're somewhere in the range of 350 millimeters, so you can get a lot through this machine in a short time. The machine does have pre-milling, so you have the adjustment down here at the entrance fence. Basically, we undo this kip lever here, and we can adjust this handle back here for the depth of the milling. Panel height is easily adjusted via the front of the machine here, so you just have your hand wheel on the counter. Quite simple. You can see that the track system is rubber pads and then upper pressure beams, 2 rows, and they're actually knurled so that they'll turn the shavings out so that it doesn't impact on the trimming as the machine's processing your panels. If we come around the back here, you can see we have 2 doors. I'll open the first one. They all have switches on them, so the machine won't run with the doors open. The machine only has one switch. It's all line controlled by this sensor here. There's also a blower here as well, which is quite clever, so it clears any of the debris or dust that may settle on there and stops there being any irregular timing of your units. The pre-milling station is 2 high-frequency motors. We have diamond tooling on those, so you get a lot of longevity out of them, and you're going to give your panels the best chance for adhesion and the tightest bond, basically. If we go further along, the machine does have a panel preheater, which heats up the raw edge after it's been through the pre-milling. Basically heats it before the glue pot, takes away any moisture and gives your glue the best chance of bonding the tape properly. The glue pot is a 1.5 litre Teflon lined unit. We have the adjustment on the top here, so you can increase or decrease the dosage. Very easy to clean if you need to. Basically, you can remove this screw and this screw. This tray comes out and you can get access all the way to the front of the tank. It is a quick release system as well, so you can easily purchase a second glue pot and run clear and natural in one, and perhaps white in the other for when you're doing your white gloss and things like that. The tape feeding system and the guillotine is here. We also have the pressure zone. You can see here we have a piece of our edge tape in between the guides, so basically all you do when you want to change over is unscrew these, pull the tape out, put the sample of your new tape in, drop them back onto there, and you're finished. The end trim is a high frequency unit with 2 blades, one for the front and one for the rear. Works very smoothly and provides a nice clean cut. If I open up the second door here, we can move along to our top and bottom trimming station. So again, high frequency motors. We bring all of our machines in now with full rotating traces. So on your lateral face, you can see we have a series of bearings there, and on the lower we have a vertical copying wheel. This is so that when you're running gloss tapes, or you're running your sheens or mats or any of these sort of delicate materials through, you're not dragging, so you're going to get no scratching and no marks along the face of the edge tape. We also bring the machines in with nesting kits, because obviously the move to CNCs is pretty common now, so all of our machines have nesting traces, so whether you have one now or you're planning on venturing into one in the future, you can run your panels with hinge holes through this machine without any problems. Further along, we have the corner rounding unit. Very easy to adjust between your different radiuses. This has a diamond tool in it as well, so you're going to get a lot of tool life out of this. We also have extraction to keep the machine clean. If we go to the radius scraping station, you can see rotating traces again, lateral and vertical. You can just see them there, but we have a series of bearings on the top there. So this is the same as what we have on the trim station, but it's for bridging across the hinge holes, if you're nesting. We have extraction on there. We also have blowers to blow the chips up into the hoses. Keeps the machine very clean. The final unit in this machine is the glue scraper. You can probably see there the nesting kit a bit better. So it's just a series of bearings, and it literally just bridges across those 35mm diameter holes, or other small holes that you may have. We also have a blower on these glue scrapers, so it blows the swarf away from the knife, and keeps the units clean. So look, this machine measures in at about 3.7 meters, including the tape tray. So it's very compact and offers a lot of value for the money. It's made in Taiwan, the quality is excellent, and of course they're backed up by Tuckwell machinery. So I hope you like it, guys, and see you later.